Hello golfers, and welcome to the channel. Alright, let's talk about smashing your driver straight down the fairway, every single time. I know. Hitting your driver consistently is one of the toughest things in golf. But trust me, with a few key tweaks, you can start finding more fairways and leave those wild slices and hooks behind. First things first, setup is everything. Before you even think about swinging, check your stance. Start with your feet shoulder width apart. Ball position? That should be just inside your front heel. And don't forget your posture, tilt forward from your hips so your arms can hang naturally. This setup lets you make a powerful sweeping motion and helps you hit up on the ball, not down. Next up, grip pressure. This is huge, but most golfers get it wrong. You want to hold the club firmly, but not like you're trying to strangle it. Picture holding a tube of toothpaste. You want to keep the paste in, not squeeze it out. Too much tension and you'll lose all your feel. Too little and you'll lose control. Find that balance. Now, let's talk about the takeaway. Here's my rule: low and slow. Don't rush it. Start the club back smoothly, keeping it low to the ground for the first few feet. This keeps you on plane and sets you up for a powerful, controlled swing. Halfway through the backswing, your left arm, for righties, should stay straight, and your shoulders should turn away from the target. Imagine your back facing the target at the top of the swing. That's how you build up power without losing control. Alright, here's where a lot of golfers go wrong. The downswing. Don't just swing with your arms, use your whole body. Start by shifting your weight to your front foot and turning your hips toward the target. Let your arms follow. This sequence gives you way more consistency and distance. And finally, finish strong. Hold your finish and watch that ball sail. If you're falling over or off balance, that's a sign you've swung too hard or lost your rhythm. A good finish means you stayed in control all the way through. Quick recap: check your setup, lighten your grip, go low and slow on the takeaway, turn your shoulders, use your body for the downswing, and finish in balance. Practice these tips, and you'll start hitting your driver more consistently, and with way more confidence. Now grab your driver and head to the range. Trust me, the fairway's about to look a lot wider. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.